Will we ever run out of this? How many times that thought crossed our mind? I guess never. But it's time. It's time to think about this invaluable commodity, water. There are a lot of ancient civilizations thrived because of proper water management and also disappeared, leaving remnants of once dominated landscape. Because they didn't able to pull that off along, because they didn't evolve their system along with the rising population. We don't want that to happen to our civilization. We are not just hairless apes, we have more cognitive ability and better technology now. So we better put it to act immediately. You might think, water is so abundant, why do we have to waste our time thinking about it? Let me explain why we should be concerned. 97% of Earth's water is salty. 2% is fresh water, but it's trapped in ice and underground. Only 1% we have access to. Even though we got good at pumping underground water, it's not a sustainable strategy. Because this water accumulated over millennia. It will take millennia to fill it back. When we suck this water in a short period of time, it comes with a lot of geological issues. In less than 20 years, we will run out of fresh water, globally. Yes, by 2040, along with all the other Earth support system, we might lose access to water also. The clock is ticking. Water is the next petroleum, but we have alternate for that, but not for water. We won't be able to live more than 3 days without water. That's why it's more valuable, next only to the air we breathe. We all know air and water are basic needs. Because our lives got so complicated, these things are not even in the list anymore. Globally, more than 800 million people lack access to clean water. Even before fulfilling the water shortage, we are already in a water crisis. We are already seeing the effects of global warming and the growth of the population pushing us to the brink. In the global water requirement, only 8% used for day-to-day stuff like drinking, washing, bathing, stuff like that. But more than 90% used for agriculture. Can't get your head wrapped around that? Let me give you an idea. 330 gallons of water required for one pizza. 2,900 gallons of water required for a pair of jeans. 52 gallons of water for an egg and 32 gallons of water for a cup of coffee. These are just simple examples for you to get an idea how much water required for the stuff we consume. It's just not water content, it's how much water required for the process. Cape Town in South Africa is the first major city to run out of water in recent history. Yes, it happened in 2017, but people radically changed their attitude on water consumption, so they're able to get out of this disaster. But so many major cities will face this fate in next few decades. We have to take radical measures. So we left with seawater. There you go, problem solved. Let's see why it's not. More than 20,000 desalination plants are operating in 150 countries. Desalination is the process turning salty ocean water into drinking water. There are several ways to remove salt from water. Reverse osmosis and desalination are the most common ways. Desalination involves boiling water and collecting the water vapor. But this process requires a lot of energy, and these processing plants doesn't come cheap. If we think we can solve this water crisis through seawater, we should be prepared to pay a lot of money for water. And of course, desalinating seawater doesn't come clean. The impact on environment is huge, mainly in marine life. Anyway, we're not gonna care about that even though we are interconnected with the ecosystem. So let's ignore it for now. Someday we might come up with a technology to infuse molecules and create water from thin air. But it seems it's not gonna happen in near future, so we should be prepared. We should start acting while we have the chance. This is a never-ending process. As our population grows, we have to rethink our energy consumption. By the way, this water shortage won't happen overnight. It will be slow and painful. Are you scared? Good. It will help to kicking the animal instinct to take action, to protect this invaluable resource. Liquid gold, water.